So outside of the reggae girls qualifying for the World Cup finals, another big talking point making the rounds is that by virtue of scoring 2 goals for his Australian trial team against 2 carpenters, 1 plumber and a cabinet maker, Usain Bolt is now a big baller. We're hearing now that Bolt is a world baller and has silenced his critics, leaving egg all over the faces of those who dare to question his football credentials. The argument is that Bolt win the football debate because he scored 2 goals for a Bush League team against another Bush League team. And look, I am the first to admit that regardless of the quality of the opponents, Bolt's finish for that first goal was exquisite. He timed his run perfectly, used his speed brilliantly, and finished with aplomb under pressure. But with all due respect, scoring a goal or 2 against Uncle Tom and Mas Joe don't make you a big baller. If you Google hard enough, you might find all the Maverick score a bigger goal than that. The only reason why every major television network and every newscast had Bolt's goals in this little Curry Goat game as big headline news is because it's Usain Bolt. Let me sum it up this way. Listen, it's not everybody who cut hair is a barber. Not everybody who cook a meal is a chef. Not everybody who fix a pipe is a plumber. And not everybody who kick a ball is a baller.